What if I told you that you could run an entire YouTube news channel without ever showing your face, without speaking a single word, and without spending hours editing videos? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this is exactly what creators around the world are doing right now, building faceless news channels that publish daily content and make real money, all without cameras, microphones, or even hiring anyone. These types of channels are booming because viewers crave fast, bite-sized news updates they can watch anytime. And here's the best part. You can start one too. You don't need editing skills, a fancy setup, or a big budget. With just a laptop and internet, you can produce high-quality news videos that look like they were made by professionals. And yes, people are earning in two powerful ways. Through YouTube ad revenue once their channel grows, and by offering the same faceless video service on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Take this channel, for example, Political Buster. It started just 5 months ago in December 2024, and it's already getting great views. According to VidIQ, it's making between $1,100 to $3,300 every month just from YouTube. So how are they doing it? They're using just two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT to write scripts fast and DupDub AI to turn those scripts into full videos with AI voiceovers and motion avatars. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use these tools step by step to launch your own faceless news channel and turn it into a real online income. And I'm going to break the entire process down step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're a complete beginner. First, we'll find trending news headlines. Then, we'll turn them into a clean, engaging script using ChatGPT. And finally, we'll transform that script into a professional talking avatar video using DupDub AI. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's start with the first and most important part, finding trending, viral news stories that people actually want to click on and watch. Now, normally you'd have to scroll through dozens of websites, watch hours of news, or follow hundreds of social accounts to figure out what's hot. But we're doing it the smart way, with AI. All you need is one prompt, and it will generate everything for you automatically. I use this exact prompt inside ChatGPT. It gives me the most viral stories in the US, things like political controversies, celebrity scandals, emotional stories, cultural shocks, and it pulls them straight from trending news media and social platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. You don't even need to write headlines yourself. It gives you catchy viral titles, summaries, even links to sources and public sentiment, ready to turn into a faceless YouTube video. The results look like this, in a clean table format. So now you've got fresh daily topics your audience actually cares about, this without doing hours of research. Up next, I'll show you how to turn these into scripts using ChatGPT instantly. Now that we've got a viral headline, it's time to turn that single line into a complete YouTube video script. And guess what? You don't need to write a single word yourself. Here's how you do it. Inside ChatGPT, just say this: act as a professional YouTube video script writer. Using the following headline, write a full YouTube video script. Do not include any instructions or notes, just the script only. Then, just copy the headline from the earlier table and paste it right under this prompt. Make sure everything is clean, remove any extra instructions, and then hit enter. Now sit back, because this is where the magic happens. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will take that one headline and expand it into a full, engaging, emotional, and click-worthy video script, ready to use in your faceless news channel. Seriously, this step alone can save you hours every single day. No more writer's block, no more guessing what to say. And boom, within moments, the full script is ready. You can read through it, tweak a few words if needed, or just copy it as is for the next step. It's that simple. Now that we have our video script ready, it's time to turn that into a professional-looking faceless news video. And for that, we're using a powerful tool that does it all for us. This platform gives you AI avatars, text-to-speech, and video editing all in one place. No studio, no microphone, no camera, just pure AI magic. After exploring the All section, you can check out the video, audio, and text sections individually to find more specialized tools based on your project needs. Now, one of the most important and exciting new features is the motion avatar. This is a recently added feature that allows you to create more dynamic and lifelike avatars that can move and express, perfect for enhancing the visual quality of your videos. Click on the motion avatar option and you'll find avatars categorized into different groups like festival, YouTuber, and professional. I'm going to select one of these professional avatars. After clicking Apply, a new page will open. On this screen, you will see the avatar on the left, and on the right side, there's an AI voiceover tool where you can add your text. This text will be automatically converted into speech using AI. Below the voiceover section, there's an avatar voice selection option. By clicking on it, you can choose a voice that matches your selected avatar. There are over 754 different voices available, categorized by language, gender, age, and sound quality. On the right side, you'll also find customization settings for the voiceover, where you can adjust the speed and pitch to better fit the tone of your video. Now go to ChatGPT and open the script that YouTube has generated for your video. Select the entire text, copy it, and then come back to DupDub. Paste the copied script into the text box under the AI voiceover section. Once that's done, now click over here under Quality, choose Ultra to get the best quality, okay? And for this example, I'll go with Adams. Then click the Select button to proceed. Once you're satisfied with everything, just hit the Generate Talking Avatar button. Wait for a few seconds while the system processes your request. Click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, the final video will be ready. Boom, the video is generated. Let's click on it and watch how it turned out.
In a rare glimmer of hope amid ongoing conflict, Ukraine and Russia have agreed to a new
Perfect.
prisoner.
Once your video is generated, you can take it a step further by editing it right inside the DupDub platform. The built-in video editor allows you to fine-tune your video, whether you want to trim clips, rearrange scenes, or add background music. You can also add subtitles to make your content more accessible and engaging for a wider audience. Once you're satisfied with all the edits, click on the Export button. From there, choose your desired resolution and export settings, then hit Done. Within moments, your final video will be ready to publish. And remember, the more polished and professional your video looks, the higher the chances of it going viral and helping you earn more. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful tools, tutorials, and content creation tips. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or just someone exploring AI tools, DupDub makes it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep hustling.